In this quick video, I am going to show you how to fix messages not delivering issues on iPhone. Okay, first thing first, make sure you recharge your SIM or eSIM. Then second, close this and open settings and open cellular. Now under cellular plans you can see the phone numbers. For me, I am having one physical SIM and one eSIM. My primary SIM was eSIM and secondary was physical SIM. So I first open the primary SIM. Then here open network selection and make sure this automatic option was enabled. If you manually choose any network means just turn off that and turn on automatic. It's very necessary one. For iPhone you need to turn on automatic options. Then back and make sure you turned on data roaming. Now back. Now open the secondary SIM and same here, just open network selection and make sure automatic was turned on. Then make sure data roaming was also turned on. After you complete these steps, check if it works or not. If still it doesn't work means back. Now scroll down and open messages. And here make sure you turned on iMessage option. Then click send and receive. Here make sure you get this tick mark on primary SIM and also for secondary SIM. For me, I didn't recharge on my secondary SIM, so that's why you can see the loading option on secondary SIM. For primary, I have the tick. So this is the thing. If I want to send a message from my secondary SIM means first I need to recharge, then I need to get this tick verified on my secondary SIM, then only I can able to send messages to others. After you do this process, back, scroll down and make sure the send as SMS option was turned on. And in some iOS versions you can also see the MMS option right here. For me, I don't see that. Make sure you turned on the MMS option also. Now try to send message. If still it doesn't work means just restart your iPhone. For that, just quickly press and release volume up button and down button and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, release your finger. That's it. Then check whether this problem solved or not. Hopefully it does. And this is how you can fix messages not delivering issues on iPhone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.